Hey everyone, I have to show you our Super Starter Value Kit that we are giving away for an amazing deal. Almost cost. We're going to show you Don Azlet's favorite products put into this kit. We've got our floor cleaner, which is our Clean and Bright, amazing, everyone loves it. Our creamy cleanser, which will get all the stains off your kitchen sinks, countertops, your ovens, amazing. Our safety foam kit, which comes with a brush and a holder so it's easy to put in the bathroom. We've got our famous microfiber towels, a duster, but not any duster, it's a lamb's wool duster. It will attract dust better than any duster you've ever bought. Our famous showers and stuff, which is our best hard water cleaner. Hard water, gone with this. You definitely need hand sanitizer spray. Take it on the go. Easy to spray, cleans everything. Customer favorite. Saves your wrists, scrubbing made easy. With this and this, clean your dirty microwaves, your ovens, oven tops. With this pad and Soil Master, it's wonderful. So this kit right here, at an amazing price, customers love this. We want to give this to you at almost our cost so you guys can experience our best products. Absolutely love this kit.